In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur your background in a Slack huddle. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining privacy or eliminating distractions from your surroundings during a live meeting. So let's dive right in and get you set up. First, once you're in a Slack huddle, take a look at the huddle window. At the bottom right-hand corner, you'll notice a set of three dots. This icon represents More Actions. It's where you can access additional settings for your huddle experience. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a small menu with some options for customizing your video settings. Within this menu, find and click on Video Background. This is where all the magic happens for modifying your video feed. Now, as we're focusing on blurring the background, gather your attention on the different options available. Among them, you'll spot the blur effect. Selecting this option will apply a soft blur to whatever is behind you, enhancing your appearance in the video feed while keeping your actual background subtle and unobtrusive. In the hustle and bustle of a busy day, you might want your background to be blurred automatically every time you join a huddle with your camera on. Thankfully, Slack has thought of this and allows you to set a default preference. By doing this, every time you enter a huddle, your background will automatically be blurred, saving you time and effort. To set this up, you'll navigate to your Slack settings outside of the huddle. Usually, settings are accessible via your profile icon or under the Preferences menu. Look out for a section there dedicated to video and huddle settings. Within this section, there's an option to blur your background by default. Enabling this option means you won't have to manually choose the blur effect each time. It'll remember your preference, ensuring your meeting space always looks professional and distraction-free. If you're wondering why this might be beneficial, consider the advantages of maintaining privacy and reducing potential distractions in your environment. Whether you're working from home or in a busy office, a blurred background keeps the focus on you, rather than any unexpected household activities or background movement. As you use this feature more frequently, you might find yourself appreciating the simple yet transformative power of a blurred background, offering a sleek and polished appearance during all of your huddles. So there you have it. That's how you blur your background in a Slack huddle. Not only does it give your meetings a more professional look, but it also ensures you're always ready to hop on a call without worrying about what's going on behind you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy huddling.